Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install GTA San Andreas. Before I start this video, I want to please, I'm requesting you to please subscribe to my channel because there are no subscribers at all. So please subscribe. And you might be wondering why am I not screen recording, because my computer doesn't screen record gaming videos. And I'm going to show you how to install it. You have to not only download it, you have to also install it. So let's get into it. First of all, open your Google Chrome. Okay, it's opening. It's taking time, so you have to search off a website which I will tell you now. Okay, so let's get in the full screen. I know my computer is just so slow. Graphic card is only 1 point, just 0.9 or 1.0. Okay, so I have to search Ocean of Games. Okay, so Ocean of Games. Okay, so oceanofgames.com, as you can see, and click it. Okay, so in the search link right here, I'll show you. Okay, so right here there's a search website link. You have to click on it and press caps lock and type GTA SA. Okay, so GTA SA and press enter. Now there's that's it, right? GTA San Andreas game free download. Okay, so you have to tap it and you have to click download. And now it's loading. Wait for a second. Okay, now it's showing that there's a dedicated request, and now we'll take you to another page, which is right here. Click here to proceed, and you have to click here and click once and leave your hands. Okay, so it's step 2 of 4, so it's downloading. It's taking time to download. You have to wait for a minute. I'm not a fake YouTuber or something. I'm not only a YouTuber, I just posted 2 videos. How do I be a YouTuber? So it's taking time. You have to download it. Okay, so it started downloading, and as you can see, it started downloading. I downloaded it first, so I'll not download. I'll just cancel. Okay, and now after downloading it, you have to go to computer and search downloads. I removed or else go to Windows, which is right here. Okay, so you go to the menu button and search for downloads. So downloads. Okay, so downloads are here, and you have to open GTA San Andreas. Okay, so this one's right here. I have downloaded the GTA 3 and GTA Vice City, so it will be okay. So after opening, this page is coming, an ad. After opening, you have to click wizard and browse. You can create a new folder for yourself. Okay, so for now I'm just putting a folder called GTA for video. Okay, so caps lock GTA for video. Okay, press enter, and now okay and finish. It'll start to download. It'll start to process. By the way, it's processing, and I request you to please subscribe to my channel. I'll tell you where to go. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel if you didn't, because there are no subscribers at all for my channel. And I have also a magic tutorial of cards. Okay, so I have the tutorial of the cards, card trick, and some people don't know how to change the profile picture of Gmail, so I have this thing right here. Okay, so there are no subscribers at all, as you can see. There are no subscribers. Okay, I'll just zoom in. Okay, I'll show you. There are no subscribers. So I please request you to please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let me see how much is processed. This is by the way, this is a 3 GB game, so it will take time. This is for Windows 7, so it will take time. And my graphic card is so slow. I don't know why it is. This is an old model. Okay, so it happens. Shit happens. Okay, so let it download. Okay, it's still downloading. It's been 20%. I'll pause the video for a second, for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, so like that, till it comes to 95, 80 or something. Okay, so pause. Okay guys, so it's almost over now. It's 70%. I'm not faking or something, which for Windows 7. I don't think it'll come for Windows 8 or 10 or 9. I don't think so, because I'm not sure. I want to please subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm being a nerd, I'm telling that all the time. So remember, it works for all Rockstar games except GTA Vice City. I tried for GTA Vice City and it didn't work. So please don't try GTA Vice City. I tried GTA 3, which is horrible. This game's graphics are not so good. Okay, so 82%, 83% is over. Okay, it's now downloading fast. It is 3.38, 3.1 or something. It's 3.1 GB, which means gigabytes. Okay, so it takes time. Okay, so it's downloading. It's almost over. By the way, eat something if you are bored. Okay, so alright. If you don't know, I'm also a magician, which I told now. Okay, I'm talking so much. Which I told, I'm also a magician. Please subscribe to my channel. So let's see if it's over. Okay, it's 88%. Now it's almost over. 99. Okay, so I spelled it wrong. Alright. Okay, it's downloading. By the way, you have to play the game after getting it, because if you play the game once, it will be present here at the menu side of the corner of the screen. What am I telling? Okay, so all right, let's wait. It takes time. I'll just pause. Alright guys, so it's almost over. It's 99%. It's just 1%. So it's CTS Andreas, an older version. Okay, it's completed, and now I have to press this GTS Andreas, this thing, and press this GTS Andreas and play for some minutes and press run. I'm going to prove that this game actually works. Okay, so it's loading a little bit. My computer is too slow. Alright, okay, there we go. And now it's loading. Wait for a second. Wait for it. Come on. So it's telling that the game size is 13.7 MB because it takes a um, little bit more space than game because of the sound, the okay, the sound and images like this, the graphics and all. Okay, it's loading. I'll just tap this. Okay, so as you can see, it's Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let me just focus nicely. Okay, so to go and I already played this game, so I'll show you some gameplay. Already played this game. Yeah, if you want to download it again, you can also you can also play the saved game. Okay, so let's go outside. I'm not faking, I just played. Okay, I just played a lot of times. I know these graphics are so embarrassing because of my laptop or computer. Okay, so I have a monster truck and a bike. Okay, let's take the bike because I don't want to lose my monster truck. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, as you can see, it's real. I'm not faking. I'm not opening a game, or I'm not opening a video, sorry. Okay, so my graphics are not good because of this is the Lenovo older version and the graphic card is not so good, and it'll be sucked sometimes. Okay, so hope you liked it, guys. I'll do a mission now. Thanks so much for watching. Who there is shooting me? What? Why? Why? Okay, I'm good enough. Okay, I'm shooting them. Why are you shooting me and my bike? Okay, so let me get my shot. This gun right here. Okay, he's dead. What are they tipping for? Okay, just look at where am I hitting them. And let me grab this money. As you can see, I have a lot of money. As you can see there. Okay, so let me take this money. Let me take that money too. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Sorry about the camera quality. My computer does not record gaming videos or something. Oh, ballers again. Alright. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe. Please share this video if your friends are gamers who's amateur in this game. So please subscribe and thanks so much for watching.